Life doesn't make you stronger by being easy.
It makes you stronger every time you decide to get back up. Don't build a perfect life, build the ability to recover.
Recover faster, recover better. Most people spend hours strengthening their bodies. Very few spend time strengthening the one thing that determines whether they keep going after life knocks them down. Here's the truth. Life doesn't reward the strongest. It rewards the people who know how to recover. Today, we're going to build the most important muscle you'll ever have. Imagine two people who lose their jobs on the same day. Both are equally qualified, both have families, both feel scared. One spends the next 6 months asking, why is this happening to me? The other asks, what can I learn from this? 6 months later, their lives look completely different. The difference wasn't luck. It wasn't intelligence. It wasn't talent. It was resilience. One person kept strengthening it. The other kept surrendering to circumstances. Human beings often believe confidence comes before action. Science suggests something different. Confidence usually comes after surviving difficult things. Every challenge your brain successfully navigates becomes evidence that you can survive the next one. Psychologists sometimes call this building self-efficacy, the belief that you can handle future problems because you've handled problems before. In other words, you don't become resilient by avoiding hard things. You become resilient by moving through them. The real goal in life isn't avoiding pain, it's shortening the amount of time pain controls your decisions. Many people think resilience means never crying, never feeling anxious, never doubting yourself. That isn't resilience. Resilience is feeling all of those emotions and still choosing your next healthy action. Think of emotional recovery like physical exercise. When you first go to the gym, even a small weight feels impossible. Months later, the same weight feels light. Life works exactly the same way. Disappointment, failure, rejection, embarrassment, loss. These experiences don't automatically make us stronger. Recovery makes us stronger. Every time you choose to stand up instead of giving up, you're strengthening what we could call your bounce back muscle, the inner capacity to recover instead of remaining stuck. Here is a different way to look at it. Stop asking, why do bad things keep happening? Start asking, what part of me is this experience training? Maybe it's patience, maybe courage, maybe emotional control, maybe humility, maybe compassion, maybe discipline. Life isn't only testing your plans, sometimes it's developing your character. And character often determines your future more than talent ever will. People who flourish don't have easier lives. They recover faster. They refuse to let one mistake become their identity. They refuse to let one rejection become the end of the story. They refuse to let one failure define who they are. They understand something powerful. A setback is information, not identity. There will always be speed bumps. The mistake is treating every speed bump like a permanent roadblock. Let's go to the reflection table. Ask yourself 3 questions today. What challenge have I been carrying longer than necessary? Instead of asking why me, what lesson might this experience be teaching me? What is one small action I can take today that proves I haven't given up? Challenge yourself today. Choose one area of your life where you've been waiting to feel ready. Send that application, make that phone call, restart that project, have that difficult conversation, take that one step, not because you're fearless, but because courage grows after action, not before it. Every healthy choice you make today is another repetition for your resilience muscle. And one day, you'll look back and realize that the hardest seasons of your life didn't break you, they built you. In closing, in this community, we're not trying to build perfect people. We're building people who know how to rise again and again and again. I'm Drand and this is AlphaMinds Daily. See you tomorrow.